Netflix. Now, let's just kick off with Netflix. Expectations are for EPS to rise to $5.16, up from $3.73 the same period a year earlier. Revenues expected to come in at 9.77 billion, up from 8.54 billion in Q3 2023. So we're expecting really solid numbers from Netflix, which should solidify its position at the top of the streaming sector. We've seen strong content from Netflix with the likes of Bridgerton, season 2 of Squid Games. And basically, we will also be expecting or watching to see whether we see price rises from Netflix. Now, if we just think as far as the US is concerned, they haven't seen the standard account hasn't seen a price rise since January 2022. So it's been quite a while. So it's probably on the cards. And given the strong content that we've seen from Netflix recently, that could be a good time to do so. Now, interestingly, subscriber numbers used to be very much the focus of Netflix earnings. We did see that subscriber numbers rose to 8.05 million in Q2. However, this quarter is going to be the penultimate quarter that subscriber figures will be released. After that, the focus is going to be very much more on revenue growth. So let's just take a look at what's going on the chart. As we come into the earnings for Netflix, we can see this is the chart here. They are actually trading just below all-time highs. They reached all-time highs. If I just show you on the weekly chart, this is the, where's the 2020? Yeah, there's the 2021 high. So that's what we did reach. It was a level of 736. That was reached just at the beginning of October. We've seen this really steady climb higher, a series of higher highs and higher lows since November last year. The price has peaked, as I said, just coming down off that high. It's trading above the 50, 100 and 200 SMA, but I think this is a pretty key level here around that $700 level. If we get a break below that, then that will negate that near-term uptrend that we've seen. Watch out on the downside for any disappointing figures. 665 is the level on the downside to be watching. A break below that is going to create a lower low. On the upside, if we get some encouraging numbers from Netflix and the price hikes seem to go down well with investors, then we'll be watching out for a rise above that 736 all-time high towards 750 would be the next logical level on the upside. So just with what else we'll be watching tomorrow, we've got Euro US dollar, we've got the ECB interest rate